The beginning of digital forms of money denoted a progressive period in the realm of money. The flexible scope of digital forms of money offers a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The famous cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Wave, Litecoin, and so forth had their own advantage fad to advance. In any case, they're actually prowled a test of openness, straightforwardness, and gigantic exchange charges. Allow us to have a speedy look at the ongoing cost and subtleties of BCH and comprehend the Bitcoin money cost expectation for what's in store. Bitcoin money specialized examination. Understanding the bare essential a profound entrance into the statistical data points of Bitcoin money has an out-and-out various story to uncover, notwithstanding having huge future outcomes, additionally potential, and commitments of conveying forward a 8 megabytes block size. The token has many motivations to work harder to coordinate to its size versus its rivals. A significant explanation, subsequently, is that the two financial backers and excavators side with the parent Bitcoin. BCH is using pretty much 2.1% of its block limit. Aside from that, the specialized rejig could likewise be expected to bring back the cost sheen. The engineers required a great deal of redoing to show greater nimbleness and rolling out extremist improvements to the undertaking's essentials. This could assist with pushing the BCH cost and market cap to new highs. Nonetheless, the value history of Bitcoin money, thinking back, has not been offering too much. It has stayed unstable and emphatically connected with the general market situation. On December 20, 2017, not long after its creation, a solitary Bitcoin money had a worth of more than $4,000 and the cost expanded. It looks astonishing that the coin has begun losing cash quickly and saw today cost drop from that astounding level radically. Retail financial backer records lose cash while exchanging spread wagers and are complicated instruments. In August 2017, mining and opponent coins made this Bitcoin Cash digital money skip to an enormous level. The typical cost expanded with more than a $9 billion market cap. Many began seeing this as a contender as opposed to a posterity or a hard fork of Bitcoin. However, an ensuing remedy cut statements by practically 30%. In November, the following period of development started. Against the foundation of the arrival of true programming and posting on top trades, the coin began a cost recuperation, making a noteworthy high of $430 with a market cap being $70 billion. Being perhaps of the most established player in the digital money market, Bitcoin money value, the posterity of Bitcoin, has acquired confided in validity among big business organizations. Its conventions certifiable applications have likewise covered various significant classifications that undertaking organizations might actually be keen on. What's more, Bitcoin money's huge local area of designers, which deals with the blockchain's convention enhancements, could be considered by big business organizations as an innovative advantage. Bitcoin money expectation has for some time been a panacea for application designers. Answers for certifiable issues like money moves and disseminated finance have been found in light of Bitcoin money. With Bitcoin money showing such a lot of commitment, it has support from all the business crypto world experts who immovably accept that Bitcoin money, upheld by a major vigorous algorithmic science and a reliable past presentation, can be wise speculation counsel yet provided that contributed brilliantly with the right cost check. As per Guaj Bitcoin money cost examination, Bitcoin money cost could float least cost around $106 toward 2023 in the couple of the following months in. As per determined Bitcoin money cost, it is by all accounts showing a vertical pattern. The bulls will push the cost up like other crypto goliaths as well. It's uplifting news for its financial backers. According to BCH value expectation, it can generally really depend on $280.62 as greatest cost in 1 year. Bitcoin money estimate is by all accounts showing negative opinion. It might dishearten its financial backers cruising scarcely at $84.24 as least cost toward 2023 of every 1 year's end, as indicated by the principal investigation and cost gauge. Regardless of its reception, the BCH coin will generally confront heat till January 2023. Going by Bitcoin money cost expectations that bulls might be back, the cash ought to wind up around $126. In light of our Bitcoin cash cost gauge, it is a terrible long-haul speculation. Your venture might be degraded from here on out. Bitcoin money is anticipated to begin and walk 2023 at $131.61 and finish the month at $119.82. During spring, the most extreme anticipated BCH cost is $140.21 and the base cost is $95.34. Aside from the ongoing devoted series of designers and researchers, BCH has teamed up with many regarded accomplices to foster the Bitcoin People Group drive. These tasks incorporate Bitcoin Limitless, Bitprim, Nchain, Bitcrust, Electromax, Equality, and Bitcoin XT. Bitcoin Money ABC got enrolled in the Gemini trade. drove by the Winklevoss siblings, with NYDFS endorsement. Likewise, the quantity of exchanges for Bitcoin money appeared to be developing dramatically. Bitcoin ABC and Bitcoin SV didn't figure out how to acquire a lot of prevalence. In any case, both of these coins are as yet accessible in each significant digital currency tray. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2023. Going by concentrating on present moment and long-haul BCH cost drifts, the coin's cost has been deviating from its way typically every several years. In 2023, Bitcoin Money is supposed to arrive at the base cost of $112.56 and $273.46 as the most extreme cost, as indicated by Bitcoin Money Cost Expectation 2023. There is an anticipated possibility of Bitcoin Money causing a slight recuperation. Yet at the year end of 2023, BCH cost will recapture its lost force and crosses the $250 mark. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Bitcoin Money will run the crypto market with a presentation cost fixed around $347.50 in the long-term end. Bitcoin Money is said to arrive at the base cost of $227.50, with a typical cost of $287.50. Bitcoin Money has the maximum capacity to support and reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances, according to our BCH cost forecast. There will be an extraordinary change in the Bitcoin Money cost conjecture when contrasted with the ongoing cost. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the BCH cost goes the distance and mass reception gets number, it is, definitely, conceivable that Bitcoin Money will be fundamentally more than its record-breaking high in view of our BCH cost forecast. Bitcoin Money is said to arrive at the base cost of $300.30 and $458.70 as the greatest cost. That would mean, as per Bitcoin Money cost forecast, it would have a typical worth of $379.50 in 2025. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2026. In view of our own examination and Bitcoin Money cost estimate, the BCH cost expectation for the year 2026 is $590.75. BCH figure helps in money management brilliantly. Bitcoin Money is anticipated to have a base cost of $386.75 and a typical cost of $590.75. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2027. As per Bitcoin Cash Cost Expectation, the token is supposed to have least and greatest costs of around $505.05 and $771.45 individually. Simultaneously, the typical cost of the crypto might be around $638.25 all year long. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2028. As indicated by the BCH cost expectations, the symbolic will have least, normal, and most extreme costs of around $564.20, $713, and $861.80 individually. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2029. Taking a gander at the BCH expectations, the coin